Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account using a PC. Whether you're concerned about privacy, taking a break from social media, or just don't need your account anymore, I'll guide you step by step so you don't miss anything. Let's jump right in. So, first, open any browser on your computer, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then go to the official Instagram website. Now, once you're there, log in into the account that you want to delete. Make sure it's the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Next, what you can do is to hover over the left side and tap on More. Now, tap on Settings. And in here, go to the Account Center and tap on Personal Details. Now, once you do that, go down to the bottom and tap on Manage Account. Now tap on the account that you want to delete and tap on Manage. And next, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Next, choose Delete Account and tap on Continue. Now scroll down and tap on Continue. Next, you'll see a drop down menu asking why you want to delete your account. So you can choose any option here, it doesn't affect the deletion process. This is just for Instagram's feedback. After selecting a reason, scroll down and tap on Continue, tap on Continue, tap on Continue, and for the final step, click on the Delete Account button. So Instagram will ask you one more time to confirm your decision, then click on Delete Account to confirm, and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Now, before you go, here's something important. Instagram doesn't delete your account instantly. They usually give you around 30 days before it's permanently removed. If you log back in during that time, you can still cancel the deletion and recover your account. And that's basically it. That's how you can delete your Instagram account on PC step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next one.